You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these brand names, as well as how to say more fashion, luxury and beauty brand names that many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. In American English it's said as Glossier, Glossier. Now in British English it's generally said as Glossier, Glossier. Now it looks really French. In French it would be said as Glossier, Glossier. So Glossier or Glossier. And now you know, make a brand. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.